Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today for this express total body Pilates and dance based workout. As always, we have 40 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's begin with some bird dog on our hands and our knees. Extend our left leg to the back, right arm forward. On the exhale, bring your elbow to your knee, and on the inhale, reach up. Keep going.
Go for it, 'cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Take a quick 10-second breather and let's be sure to do the second side. So get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We will be doing everything on the second side. So now our right leg is going to go back and left arm forward. Keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Take a quick 10-second breather, roll out those wrists and grab a sip of water if you need. The next one, we will be on our right elbow and our left hand, opening and closing our left knee, almost stacking our hips into a fire hydrant with our hips a little bit open so we can really work on those glutes and those side tilts. This is really helpful for dancers. Keep going, 30 more seconds. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We'll do the same thing to the second side. So this time our right hand on the floor, opening and closing our right knee, starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 40 seconds on. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Next, let's just hold a plank for 40 seconds. Option here to go into a low plank if your wrists are getting tired, or stay like me in a high plank, shoulders on top of wrists and tucked toes. Lifting the knees off, let's hold the plank, keep going. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Swing your legs around while you untuck your toes, roll out your wrists, and we're going to hinge halfway back into a boat pose. So when you're ready in 3, 2, 1, let's find our boat pose, and we're going to be adding Pilates 100s. So breathe out through the mouth for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the nose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 while pulsing the arms. Keep going, belly button to spine, roll the shoulders back, squeeze your shoulder blades together, point your toes, and hinge a 45-degree angle back. Finishing in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Last thing today, let's swing our legs around once again, and we're going to be doing 20 seconds of bear to plank walkouts and then 20 seconds of push-ups to finish this workout. Let's go. Bear to plank. Keep your belly button moving towards your spine. Don't let your head drop. Keep your neck to your tailbone in one long line throughout your spine. And you've only got 7 more seconds of this. Keep going. Next, we have 20 seconds of your variation of a push-up. I prefer to go on my knees because I'm still working on my strength in my upper body. Let's go. 15 more seconds of this workout. You can do it. And we are done today. Thank you so much for joining me today. Feel free to rewind this video and start from the beginning for an extra burn. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.